In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Did it ever happen to you that you told something confidential, secret, to a friend of yours, but it did not remain a secret? You did tell her that this is a sort of confidential thing, and I hope and I trust that it will remain up to you. But later on, after some of the time, after few years, you came to know that that confidential, secret, something of your private life did not remain confined to that particular person. These secret things could be about your own life, and you don't want it to travel to the other people. You don't want it to convey to the other people because you think that it is a sort of matter of shame. Your respect will be affected negatively if at all it is disclosed to other persons. Some of the things are which you do tell a friend of yours, somebody close to you, and this thing is not about your own life, rather about the life of someone else. Again, you do tell him, her, or you expect that this person will not share this thing with anyone else because if he she does, and it might be bad for you, the person about whom this talk is about might become annoyed, might try and to seek revenge from you. Again, you came to know that this thing did not remain a secret. The one whom you did tell didn't bury it in one's own chest, rather, disclose it to others, either immediately or after few months or few years. Did it also happen to you that you were enjoying a very good relationship with someone else, a very warm, cordial relationship with someone else, but this relationship or this warmth, this cordiality did not last long, and later on, that warmth in the relationship did evaporate, did end, or sometime not only that the warmth did evaporate, rather a sort of enmity, or if not the enmity, then at least the same person yesterday's or the friend of the past has become your opponent. It does happen. It does happen. It is a reality. And both of the parties, both of the people do blame each other for this sort of affairs. Both of these people will be found saying that I did not understand him, her well earlier, otherwise, I would not have got closer to him, her. I did understand him, her later on, once the time was over, the time was gone, the time was wasted. A human being, by its nature, is somewhat unpredictable. A human being, because of its nature, is somewhat unpredictable. You are not sure what somebody will be found doing after some of the time. It is not easy to understand the people. It is not easy to understand the people. The people are too deep. The people, human beings, are too much complicated. So remain careful, as careful as you can. And don't do keep this thing in your mind that your relationship might end, and even this my relationship might end abruptly. So keeping this thing in your mind, be careful, be rather very careful. Thank you.